Hello, fellow money aficionados! Are you on the lookout for a quick and effective cash flow strategy? Well, you're in luck! I've got 10 surefire tips to help you earn money today. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with tip number 1, unleash your inner entrepreneur and sell items on eBay. It's a straightforward and hassle-free way to make some extra bucks. Moving on to tip number 2, monetize your social media influence by partnering with a brand through an app. Get paid for simply posting about their products or services. On to tip number 3, rent out your unused space on Airbnb. Offer short-term accommodations to travelers looking for unique experiences. Tip number 4, sign up for Uber or Lyft and start transporting people in your city. It's an easy way to boost your income and meet new people. Tip number 5, put your artistic talents to good use and sell prints of your artwork online. You can even create customized merchandise featuring your art. Now, let's move on to tip 6, participate in online surveys for cash rewards or gift cards. It's a simple way to make some quick bucks, but it won't make you rich overnight. Moving on to tip 7, offer pet sitting services through apps like Rover or Wag. This is a fun way to earn some extra cash while pampering fur babies around town. Let's move on to tip 8, find a seasonal job that suits your interests, like beach lifeguarding during the summer months. And voila, you've got yourself a steady income stream. Tip number 9, start walking dogs through apps like Rover or Wag, and you can get paid just by giving Fido his daily exercise regime. And finally, tip 10, provide handyman services through apps like Handy or TaskRabbit and earn cash while helping out others around town. So there you have it, folks. 10 speedy ways to generate some quick cash today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Until our next rendezvous, keep hustling, my friends.